everybody knows about some of the most common Amazon conferences, such as Prosper. It's been around for about like a decade or longer, it seems. Well, I'm going to be speaking in the Czech Republic this summer in June, and I thought I'd introduce somebody to tell you a little bit more about that. So if you're going to be heading out to the Europe area, or you need an excuse to go out to Prague, this is the place for you. So check this out.
Hello, my name is Augustus. I'm the founder of Orange Klik, and together with my team, we are organizing the third annual European Seller Conference, which takes place in Prague, in Czech Republic, on June 8th and 9th, 2023. I believe this event is unique in Europe because we are attracting about 200 attendees from more than 40 different countries and nationalities. So it's a unique event where you can talk to Eastern European Amazon sellers or sellers and experts in Israel, also Western Europe. And we also getting guests from North America. So it's a huge opportunity for meeting different mindsets and cultures and see what strategies different parts of the world are applying to be successful on Amazon. On the stage, we're bringing about 20 experts from across the globe. We are having Stephen Pope from My Amazon Guy, Tomer Rabinovich from Top Dog, and also Bradley Sutton from Helium 10. Chris Rawlings is coming from Sophie Society. And we have quite a good group of Amazon sellers being on the stage and sharing their case studies, their knowledge, how they do things to be successful. All these Amazon sellers on the stage will be for sure 7-figure sellers. And it's a huge opportunity to network with all of them. During the 2 days event, you will have a lot of sessions, but we also will include several Q&A panels where you will be able to talk to Amazon experts on specific topics like PPC or AI. Also, we will talk about business exits, which is still important when you are building your Amazon businesses with a goal to sell them and exit in the future. The speakers on the stage will cover topics like product sourcing, product launching, how to run profitable PPC campaigns, how to use external traffic with Google advertising, how to optimize listings visually and in other ways. So make sure that you secure your place in Prague. We are waiting for you in this exciting event. If you need more information, check the website europeansellerconference.com.